Welcome back for my morning report analysis videos on Tuesday 28th of August with me, Japan market analyst at Hantec markets. Let's look at euro dollar, which look at that move on euro dollar. In the past 2 weeks, it was interesting because last Thursday we had that corrective candle that came at the downtrend. It seemed as though the market was contemplating whether that rally had done it, had done enough. And then Friday and then subsequently Monday, we saw just two really strong bull candles, which have completely changed the outlook of this chart, I think, on a medium-term basis, because the overhead supply from 15, around that 15 big figure area, let's say, up towards that pivot of 1630. That has now been completely blown out of the water by yesterday's candle, and the move continues to go higher today. Look at these stochastics accelerating higher. RSI 60. You've not seen the RSI there since March. No. Let's go back to February. Since February, so it really is looking like this is a key moment. So if the RSI can stick in the 60s, that is a real signal that the bulls are really gaining momentum once more. 1745 is the initial resistance of these July highs. 1745 up towards 1790 being that one there. So you've got this resistance overhead of these highs now to consider. 1850 is the really important resistance. If you break through that, then you really are sort of moving in the momentum of the recovery decisively. For now, you can certainly point towards all these bull candles that are continuing to drag the market high. You've got an uptrend now, currently comes in around 1580, so that's again sort of moving ever higher and above 1630. That 1630 pivot now becomes supportive as well. Yesterday's low, you could argue 1590, so that's around about that where that uptrend comes in as well. So there is increasingly improving outlook on euro dollar now. You can see this on the hourly chart where you're running ever higher lows, higher highs. These moving averages are pointing in the right direction. RSI on the hourly sort of bottoms out sort of around the 40s to 45 area. MACD lines positive. It all sort of looks to be buying into weakness now. As I said, yesterday's low 1590 is a nice sort of higher low there, but you could argue 1630 towards 1650 area, I suppose, a basis of support. And yeah, it all looks pretty positive at the moment on euro dollar as this recovery continues to go. So I wish you good luck in trading. I'll speak to you later.